Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly in step by step how you can set the visibility status of your Slack channel from private to public and vice versa really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to your Slack workspace and pay attention to that list of associated channels in your Slack workspace. So you will see, for example, icons or symbols like that next to your channel. That symbol or icon here indicates that the given channel is already public. But you, for example, may set the visibility of the given channel to private and to public back again. To do that, right-click on the given channel, select View Channel Details here, and here inside your channel settings, head over to the Settings tab here at the right-hand side, and from here, simply select or click on Change to Private Channel here. We'd like to private it, just like that, confirm by clicking on Private here. And there you go. As you can see, now that symbol has changed. We see a lock icon or symbol like that, which means that the channel is private. And you may reverse that and simply change the visibility back to public by clicking on View Channel Details here again, by heading over to Settings, and by clicking on Change to a Public Channel and by confirming it here. And that's basically it, guys. Just bear in mind that you can't set it or change the visibility from private to public and vice versa for your general or default channel in your Slack account or workspace. That channel will always be public and you can't set it on private. So that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.